Hi guys, we're here at TBK. Wait. Visit na dito sa TBK T-Bone King Steak and Grill dito sa Naik Cavite. Pakita mo food ka. Diba? Sizzling and so yummy. We're food vloggers here. Tapos sigaan na naman yan dito and celebrate T-Bone King guys and here sa Kawit. Thank you.